Ladies and gentlemen, the Maharashtra government is scared as the Republic Media Network continues to investigate the truth in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. So scared that they have picked up our crew, our reporter, our camera person. They are trying to forcibly interrogate them in custody. And they have even tried to openly block our channel's distribution across the state. We decided not to take this lying down. Yesterday, we broke the news on the program that the Shiv Sena had the temerity to write letters to all cable distributors that they will carry out physical violence if Republic Bharat's broadcast was not stopped. I'm happy to share with you, viewers, this goon government of Uddhav Thackeray has lost once again, and we have defeated the Shiv Sena in court. More details with Rhythm in a while, but the message is loud and clear. Uddhav can't stop Republic. Let's debate.
25 बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज का आपने लिया नाम. रिया, आप ड्रग्स पार्टीज ऑर्गेनाइज करती थी रिया.
For the last few weeks, our investigation has rattled the state and its machinery.
रिपब्लिक भारत की सबसे बड़ी टीम ग्राउंड जीरो मुंबई पर मौजूद है. आपके अपने चैनल रिपब्लिक भारत की आवाज दबाने की कोशिश की जा रही है.
क्योंकि हम सच दिखा रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम सुशांत के साथ खड़े हैं, हम कंगना के साथ खड़े हैं.
लेकिन ना हम रुकेंगे ना थकेंगे. इंसाफ की ये मुहिम जारी रहेगी विकास.
और हमारा ये भरोसा और इसलिए मजबूत है क्योंकि आप हमारे साथ हैं, तो इसलिए हम न कभी रुके थे, न रुके हैं और न रुकेंगे. इंसाफ की लड़ाई बहुत मजबूती से लड़ेंगे, हमें चाहे कितनी रोकने की कोशिश क्यों न कर ली जाए.
An attempt to intimidate Republic and ban us across the state through this letter has been defeated in court tonight.
The Bombay High Court today has said Shiv Sena Cable is not a statutory body to interfere or supersede in the license given to Republic TV. Secondly, they cannot try and interfere in the contract between cable operators and Republic TV.
Shiv Sena can't stop Republic, even as it ensures Anuj, Yashpaljeet and driver Sandeep spend the third consecutive night in police custody in Maharashtra. Anuj is being forcefully interrogated in custody. He's being forced to reveal his leads, sources and story. And Republic has moved the Bombay High Court, TRAI and NHRC over the illegal arrest.
It's 2.5 days, nearly over 65 hours now. Anuj continues to be in prison. We are trying to get in touch with him and we are being told he was following certain leads, certain stories. The police is pressurizing him to give up the names of the leads on that story, which Republic TV reiterates will not be done as that is a part of our fundamental freedom. We also want to say legitimate representation was not given to him. When he was picked up, no rights were read out to him, nothing was told to him, and also the remand copy was not given to him in time, which is very serious.
Tonight, our investigation continues to rattle the Maharashtra government as a farmhouse party becomes the focus.
CBI has leads on in this particular case because they believe that there was a farmhouse party that was held at a top Maharashtra politician's property. This farmhouse belongs to a top Maharashtra politician, is what we are told. Now, who attended this party seems to have become the focus of the CBI investigation, and they believe that there could be answers to both Sushant Singh Rajput and the Disha case in the attendees of this particular party.
CBI is probing deeper links into the Sushant and Disha deaths as investigating teams change once again.
सालियांचा केस बाबत विचारायचं होतं. पण सर तुम्ही इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर आहात मला सांगितलं की तुम्ही सर पण पूर्वी तुम्ही होते का इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर तर आता म्हणे कोणाला दिलंय ते केस.
And more call details emerge to demolish the suicide theory.
The details of the calls between Riya and Uday are unknown, but it raises questions as the communication between Riya and Uday was made a day after Disha Salian died. Both Uday Singh Gauri and Disha Salian were colleagues at Cornerstones. Since the investigating agencies are also trying to ascertain the reasons behind Disha Salian's death, the interrogation of Uday Singh Gauri pertaining to the calls made to Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakravarti becomes very crucial.
Is the Uddhav government scared as more facts emerge? Let's debate.